Okay, we're watching Cinco 808.
And
Here?
this is the plane he is making. It is awesome flyer. I can't believe this.
And you made it through just watching him on YouTube?
Yep, I sure did.
Okay, alright.
And
Sounds
look,
good.
on the bottom of the wing, EMS. That way I know it's mine. When it says MBS, that means I know it's yours.
That way we know it's yours. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go see how it flies.
You
Okay.
can't believe this, so it's gonna be cool.
Alright.
Hold on.
Little elevator area there. Alright. Alright, yeah. It still flies good. I've seen it fly very good. Where's the one you built me?
I don't know, that's what I asked you.
I don't know.
Here,
here
I'll look
somewhere.
for it. Let's go.
Let's find it real
Look around
quick.
the kitchen.
They're waiting. They don't want to wait on us. Here's one. Here's one.
Look on the wing.
Is this it? Or is this yours?
This one says,
Okay. This one's got my name on it. Okay.
okay, Michael Parker.
Alright, the nose takes a beating. But
Yeah.
as you can see, well-made
The nose
airplane.
pretty,
For a
yeah,
paper airplane. Pretty impressed.
Yeah, the nose, it looks pretty weird, but
But it works
as it
well,
looks,
right?
yeah, as you now look, it looks like this isn't really there.
Right, okay. I love you too, baby.
This is,
Let's see if this thing
This is
flies.
Michael Bracken Smith's plane flying recorded.
Okay, let's fly it. Hey, it went all the way to the toilet. That was good.
What's going on with
See?
mine?
It must have to use the bathroom.
Yeah.
Alright, keep on flying. Happy flying. Alright,
Man, something's going on.
alright, take care, YouTube. See you later.